mangoes and bananas you can pick right off the tree. We got volleyball and ping pong and a lot of deadly games. What ain't we got? We ain't got dames. We get packages from home, we get movies, we get shows, we get speeches from our skipper and advice from Tokyo Rose. We get letters doused with perfume, we get dizzy from the smell. What don't we get? You know darn well.
We got nothing but our clean white suit for.
We got nothing to look masculine and cute for.
There is nothing like a dame, nothing in the world. There is nothing you can name that is anything like a dame. We feel restless, we feel blue, we feel lonely and then brief. We feel every kind of feeling but the feeling of relief. We feel hungry as a wolf and when you've been red and good. What don't we feel? We don't feel good.
Lots of things in life are beautiful, but brother,
There is one particular thing that is nothing whatsoever in any way, shape, or form like any other.